Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go ahead and clean out my light fixture. I have been living in my house now for probably about 6 years almost, and I hate to admit it, but I've actually only cleaned out my light fixture maybe about once before. Okay, so I'm long overdue for a clean. You probably have the very same issue with your light fixture where you see over time there's like a collection of bugs and insects and little critters and a whole bunch of unwelcomed species, if you want to call it. But yeah, I'm just sick and tired of looking at it now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it, and I want to take you guys along for the ride. So come on, let's go. It's a good thing that I chose to clean the flush pendant light sooner rather than later, because as soon as I touched the fixture, one of the brackets immediately gave way and fell off. Ooh child, when I tell you, only by the grace of God, okay? I was also shocked to discover that the fixture wasn't as dirty as I had initially expected. I took it down though, because that definitely would have been interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these because they're all greasy and oily, and just wash them out. I'm pretty sure I can. Can I? Just come out? Alright, I don't think I can. Probably, you know. So I don't want to damage the frosting inside here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get a tissue and just wipe it out, and then I'll use my microfiber cloth with my all-purpose cleaner and wipe down the chrome finish, or the brush nickel. I'd say it's more of a brush nickel finish. I'm still feeling sticky. The inside of the fixture was so greasy that after first testing a small area, I decided to go back with the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner on the lamping. After using the Mrs. Meyer's cleaner, I still was not satisfied, so I decided to go back with the Weeman granite and stone cleaner. Please do not ask me why I opted to use this cleaning product instead, but for some reason I just felt that it was the most appropriate to use at the time. However, I then realized when cleaning my suspended pendant that honestly just a simple soap and water warm combination would have more than sufficed. I was so nervous putting this cover back on that I really just had to take my time with it. So after seeing all of those cobwebs and dead spiders and insects, I was not trying to immediately go right away and wiping out the light fixture. So I decided to take my Dyson and just go ahead and vacuum up some of the critters as well as the cobwebs where I was able to. So with the suspended pendant, I decided to go ahead and just use only soap and warm water, and boy, did just this simple combination work wonders. Okay, so I'm feeling so greasified after today's video. Even though it's just those two light fixtures, there's definitely a lot more I gotta tackle around the house, but those are just the first two that I want to go ahead and get started with inside the kitchen. I'm actually really impressed. They did not come out, I thought there was gonna be a lot more insects and unwanted critters, to be completely honest. But as you can see, there was a lot more in my suspended pendant than there was in my flush pendant. I'm thinking that's possibly because it was suspended, it's a lot more easier for, you know, like bugs and insects and things to really get caught up in there. But yeah, nonetheless, I was still impressed. I expected to see a whole lot more, especially considering it's how many years later that I'm finally taking a nab at it. But Again, thank you guys for tuning into today's video. You can be on the lookout for my next video, which I think I'm going to be dropping tomorrow. But yeah, I think that's it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. And don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button if you haven't yet already subscribed. And don't forget to put on your push notifications just so that you're notified whenever I do drop a video, which I will be dropping a lot more frequently. And yeah, comment down below, when was the last time you cleaned out your light fixture, okay? And what was the most random thing that you found when cleaning out your light fixture? Yeah, I'm curious. I want to know. Comment down below. What was the most random thing that you found in while cleaning out your light fixture? Okay? Anyway, so thank you guys again, and I will catch you all in the next video. Toodles for now. Take care and stay blessed.